Welcome to it. Shout out Lucky Energy for sending me these energy drinks from Lucky Beverage Co. This one's the OG LUT. 0 calories, 0 sugar, 5 super ingredients, maca, ginseng, taurine, beta-alanine, and 200 milligrams of caffeine. This thing tastes like a cleaner monster. You guys are going to want to get your hands on these. Use my code at the link in bio for 20% off. Going to get a quick workout in. Let's go.